Hello, hi. So I'm currently in Homabay. So let me do a short room tour of my room. Enjoy the video. So when you come in, this is the entrance door and this is the washroom. Yeah, we have a sink there and we have where you're going to take a shower. So that's it for the bathroom. So this place is going for 1,500 per night. And then so that's the washroom. And then here I have like a closet. You can call it a closet, yeah. So this is my closet. And then that's my bag and a chair. Then we have the bed. I love the fact that everything is in white and it looks like a clean place to be at. Then we have another mirror here. That's me. Hi. This is my outfit of the day. That's me. Hi. Yeah, and then we have a TV there. It's a very small TV, but I hope it works. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.